Here whenever you. No.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farhan, Jaffar, Ecommers. For I am a level 1 student at Rehan School, Islamabad campus. As you know, whenever I come, I am making a new colony and amazing topics of each colony. So let's start with let's
Walaikum
start
assalam.
with colony. So colony, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. I'm excited to hear about the colony and the topics you have in mind. Let's
Yes,
get started.
the topic of our discussion is the importance of biological activities in our environment.
That's a fantastic topic. Biological activities play such a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our environment. I'm looking forward to diving into that with you.
So let's start to explain that one in a long form of way.
Absolutely. I'd love to. Biological activities like the roles of different organisms and ecosystems are essential for nutrient cycling, pollination, soil fertility, and even climate regulation. So let's explore each of these aspects in detail.
Yes, please explain that one in a long form of way.
Sure thing. So biological activities in our
Yes,
environment. All right. So biological activities include the actions of various organisms like plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. These activities are crucial for processes such as decomposing organic matter,
yes,
recycling. Great. So, for example, decomposers like bacteria and fungi break down dead material, returning essential nutrients to the soil. Pollinators like bees and butterflies help plants reproduce, which is vital for food production. And then we have other organisms that help in maintaining soil health and even regulating the climate. It all comes together to keep our environment balanced and healthy. You're very
so how
welcome.
can we control?
Absolutely. Understanding these biological activities is definitely the first step in finding ways to protect and enhance them. If you have any specific ideas or questions on that, I'm here to help.
Yes, so my last question about you, how can we control that things and the amazing topic of our discussion?
That's a great question. We can support these biological activities by protecting natural habitats, reducing pollution, promoting sustainable agriculture, and even supporting conservation efforts. It's definitely an exciting and important topic.
Yes, so my next question about you is how can we resolve that issues and to converse that one into long form of way?
Absolutely. Resolving these issues generally involves a combination of community engagement, policy changes, and individual actions. We can go into detail about each of these strategies and how they can be implemented. Just let me know if you'd like to dive into any specific aspect of it.
Yes, go dive into these topics and explain in a long form of way, please.
Absolutely. So, to tackle these environmental challenges, we can start with community engagement by raising awareness and encouraging sustainable practices at the local level. Then, policy changes can ensure that there are regulations and incentives in place to protect ecosystems. Finally, individual actions like reducing waste and conserving water can make a big difference. We can explore each of these in depth if you'd like.
Yes, so it's better for us about to explain that one into a long form of way and to resolve that issues.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to dive into the details. So we can break it down into actionable steps for each approach, community engagement, policy changes, and individual actions. This way we can create a comprehensive plan that addresses Awesome. I'll make sure to cover all the aspects of detail and present it in a comprehensive way. If you have any specific points you want me to focus on, just let me know.
Yes, so my next question about to you is how can we know about that things to recognize that issues and to resolve that things?
Great question. To recognize these issues, we can start by educating ourselves through reliable sources. No worries. I'm here whenever you're ready, so just let me know if you have any more questions or if you'd like to dive deeper into anything. Always happy to help.
Okay, so my next question about to you is how can we think about like that to converge into it?
That's a thoughtful question. To approach these issues, we can start by cultivating curiosity and staying informed, connecting with experts, and brainstorming creative solutions. It's all about staying engaged and open minded.
Yes.
Awesome. I'm glad you're interested in exploring these ideas. Just let me know whenever you'd like to dive deeper or if you have any other questions.
So my next question about to you is how can we know about that biodiversity and to connect that one in a long form of way?
Absolutely. Biodiversity is such a fascinating topic. We can explore how it contributes to ecosystem stability, the services it provides us, and how we can protect it. I'd be happy to dive into all of that in detail for you.
Yes, so it's good for us.
I'm really glad you think so. Biodiversity is definitely something that benefits us in so many ways. If you have any specific questions or want to dive into any
Yeah,
particular aspect,
yes. So my next question about to you is how can we know about that things?
to learn more about biodiversity, we can
So
explore.
my next question about to do the importance of uh, biodiversity.
Absolutely. Biodiversity is incredibly important because it ensures ecosystem resilience, provides us with a variety of resources like food and medicine, and helps regulate the climate. If you'd like, we can explore any of these aspects in more depth.
Yes,
Awesome. We can definitely dive deeper into how biodiversity supports ecosystem stability, the variety of benefits it brings us, and how we can actively protect and enhance it. Just let me know which area interests you the most. No problem at all. All right, I'm here whenever you need me. Just let me know if there's anything else you'd like to chat about or any questions you have.
so my next question about to you is how can we know about that things to recognize that issues and to resolve its.
To recognize and resolve these issues, we can start by staying informed through reputable sources, engaging with experts, and being observant of our environment. From there, we can take small practical steps in our daily lives and advocate for larger systemic changes. It's all about a combination of knowledge and action.
Yes, so my next question about to you is biodiversity is the harmful or thinkful for us?
Biodiversity is actually incredibly beneficial for us. It helps maintain ecosystem balance, provides resources like food, medicine, and clean air, and even supports our mental and physical health. So it's definitely a positive force for us.
Yes, so let's start about it and to know about that things and to resolve that issues about like that.
Absolutely. Let's dive right in. We can explore the many ways biodiversity benefits us and also identify some of the threats it faces. From there, we can discuss practical steps to protect and enhance it. I'm excited to get started.
Yes, so
Great. Let's get started then. We'll explore the importance of biodiversity and how we can all contribute to preserving it. Just let me know if there's any specific area you'd like to focus on first.
So my next question about to you is how can we know about that things and the issues about like that?
To get to know about biodiversity and its related issues, we can start by exploring educational resources like documentaries, articles, and scientific studies. We can also engage with local conservation groups or take part in community initiatives. It's all about staying curious and proactive.
Yes, so my next question about to you is how can we resolve that issues about to explain that one in a form of way?
Absolutely. To resolve these issues, we can focus on a few key steps. First, no problem at all. We can definitely break it down step by step whenever you're ready. Just let me
Yes,
know.
please
And
please explain that one. Sorry for it.
of course, to resolve biodiversity issues, we can start with education and awareness so people understand its importance. Uh, then we can support conservation efforts, protect natural habitats, and promote sustainable practices. It's a combination of collective effort and individual actions.
Yes.
Great. I'm glad that works for you. If you ever want to explore any of these steps in more
Yes,
detail,
my next question about to you is exploring that issues about that issues who can come in this form of way about to resolve that issues and to contribute in to not coming any other in a form of way.
got it. To prevent these issues from arising in the first place, we can focus on proactive measures like sustainable practices, conservation efforts, and community involvement. By fostering a culture of awareness and responsibility, we can make sure that biodiversity is protected in the future.
Yes,
Fantastic. I'm really glad you're on board with that approach. If you ever have more questions or want to dive deeper into any specific area, just let me know. I'm here to help.
yes. So my next question about it to how can we know about that thing and get master in that thing?
To really master the topic of biodiversity, we can immerse ourselves in continuous learning, like reading books, attending workshops, and joining relevant communities. Engaging with experts and staying updated on the latest research also helps a lot. It's a journey, and I'm here to support you along the way.
Yes. So my next question about to you. How can we know about that things and to resolve that things?
To get to know and resolve these issues, we can start by educating ourselves through credible sources, staying curious, and connecting with experts in the field. Then we can take practical steps in our own lives and advocate for broader changes in our communities. It's all about a mix of knowledge and action.
Yes.
I'm so glad that resonates with you. If you ever want to explore any specific topic in detail or have any questions along the way, just let me know. I'm always here to help.
Yes.
Awesome. I'm here whenever you need me, and I'm always happy to help with any questions or ideas you have. Just let me know.
So, hello Annie, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you.
Yes, to how to contribute that things and to recognize that one in a long form or way about to changing that activities and their works.
Absolutely. Contributing to positive change and recognizing these important activities can be broken down into a few steps. We can start with educating ourselves and others, getting involved in community initiatives, supporting sustainable practices, and advocating for policies that protect our environment. It's all about taking small, meaningful actions that add up.
Yes.
Fantastic. I'm glad you're on board with that. If you ever need more detailed guidance on any of these steps or have any questions along the way, just let me know. I'm here to help.
So my next question about to you is you can giving a very short answer and not a correct answer to me. Why is it?
I appreciate the feedback. I'll make sure to give more detailed and comprehensive answers from now on. If there's anything specific you'd like to know or dive deeper into, just let me know.
Yes, please, you can giving answer about our topic and to explain
Absolutely.
that one in a long form of way and giving a long form of advice also on it.
Of course. When it comes to contributing to biodiversity and recognizing its importance, a great starting point is education. The more we understand the intricate ways that different species and ecosystems support each other, the better we can protect them. We can also get involved in local conservation projects, support sustainable businesses, and reduce our own environmental footprint. By taking these steps, we not only help preserve biodiversity, but also contribute to a healthier planet for future generations. If you'd like more detailed advice on any of these steps, just let me know.
Yes,
Great. I'm glad that works for you. Just remember every small action counts, and the more we learn and participate, the bigger impact we can make. If you have any specific questions or need more guidance, I'm always here to help.
yes. My next question about to you is the resolving that issues about how can we know about that things about to recognize that one issues and to resolve also it.
To effectively recognize and resolve these issues, the first step is to educate ourselves about the specific challenges that biodiversity faces. This can be done through reputable sources like scientific journals, documentaries, and expert talks. Once we have a solid understanding, we can take action by participating in local conservation efforts, supporting policies that protect the environment, and making sustainable choices in our daily lives. It's all about a continuous cycle of learning and acting.
So it's also be a very good answer about to you. So my next question about to you is how can we think about that issues and the works about it.
I'm really glad you found the answer helpful. To think about these issues more deeply, we can reflect on the interconnectedness of all living things and how our actions impact the environment. We can also engage in conversations with others, stay curious, and consider innovative solutions. It's a continuous process of learning, questioning, and
Yes, please.
no worries at all. I'm here. Absolutely. I'm here whenever you need me. Just
Yes.
got it. Great. I'm glad to be of help. Whenever you're ready to continue or have any more questions, just let me know.
Yes, my next question about to you is how can we think about that issues and to also recognize that one.
To think about and recognize these issues, we can start by cultivating curiosity and staying informed through reliable sources, engaging in conversations, participating in community efforts, and reflecting on their own impact are all great ways to deepen our understanding and contribute positively.
Yes.
I'm really glad that resonates with you. If you have any more questions or if there's anything else I can do to help, just let me know.
Yes, my next question about to you is how can we know about that things and their issues about to resolving their problems.
To get to know these issues and find ways to resolve them, we can start by seeking out reliable information from experts, scientific studies, and community resources, engaging with local organizations, participating in discussions, and reflecting on our own habits are all great steps. Together, we can make a positive impact.
So it was very recognizing things for us to explain that one.
I'm really happy to hear that. If you ever have more questions or need further clarification on anything, just let me know. I'm always here to help.
Okay, it's good for us to recognize and to resolve that issues. So how can we contribute? It's
There are so many ways we can contribute. We can start by making small changes in our daily habits, supporting sustainable products, participating in local conservation efforts, and spreading awareness within our communities. Every little bit helps, and together we can make a big difference.
yes. So this difference was good for us or not?
Absolutely. Every positive change, no matter how small, makes a difference, and collectively, these efforts really add up. I'm so glad you found this helpful. And if you ever want to explore more ways to contribute or have any questions, I'm here for it.
Yes. So how can we contribute that issues?
There are a lot of ways we can contribute to addressing these issues. We can start by reducing our own environmental footprint, supporting eco-friendly businesses, volunteering with local environmental organizations, and advocating for policies that protect our planet. Every action, no matter how small, really does make a meaningful impact.
So that impacts can bring changes to us or not.
Absolutely. Even small changes can have a ripple effect, and collectively they can lead to significant positive impacts. So, by contributing in our own ways, we absolutely help bring about meaningful change.
So my next question about to you is how can we know about that things and to resolve that issues about to contributing and the others.
To get a good grasp of these issues and learn how to contribute effectively, we can
So
start by seeking out.
at the end you can giving a long form of advice to my viewers. So because the time is very slow about that.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to provide a more detailed guide. To truly understand and tackle these issues, it's important to educate ourselves through diverse and credible sources, engaging with local environmental groups, participating in community projects, and advocating for sustainable practices. All make a big difference. And of course, sharing knowledge and inspiring others to join in can create a ripple effect of positive change. I'm always here to help guide you through it.
Okay, so Viewers, this was our colony. I hope you like it. We can coming on next colony. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
Thank you so much. I'm glad you enjoyed it, and I look forward to our next chat.